Students on top of building at the Queen's High School in St. Andrew. Body of missing bearer found in gully. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. School administrators were forced to summon the police to the St. Andrew-based all-girl high school, Queens, on Tuesday morning after an incident involving students at the institution. It is understood that 3 students were on a roof and refused to come down. At least one of the students threatened to jump, according to the report. It is unknown what caused the students to go on the roof, but reports suggest that an internal conflict between fourth form students is behind the decision. Further reports indicate there were a series of fights between students at the institution on Tuesday. More details to come following further investigations. The body of a 26-year-old man who was reported missing last Saturday was found Tuesday morning in Mother White Gully off Spanish Town Road in the vicinity of the Horizon Adult Remand Center in Kingston. He has been identified as Kemar Farbs, a bearer from a Greenwich Farm address. According to police sources, Farbs received multiple gunshot wounds to the head. It is suspected that Farbs was killed on Spanish Town Road and later dumped in the gully. Further investigations are ongoing.